So in this session, I want to talk about a very interesting algorithm to sort a list. It's called merge sort. Merge sort is extremely fast and much faster than bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, and we just want to talk about merge sort because it's a beautiful recursive algorithm as well. Okay, so what is merge sort? Given a list, I want to sort it. So merge sort says that let's do one thing. Let's call sort on this part. Let's call sort on this part. Right? So my original problem is big. I'm calling sort on two smaller problems. And using induction hypothesis, I'm going to assume that they work fine. So first of all, base case, length 0, length 1. I'm not going to do anything. Length 0, length 1, my list is sorted. So that's my base case. Hypothesis, I can sort a list using merge sort up to length L minus 1. Right? Now for length L, what are we saying? That make the list into two parts and call merge sort on both of them. So using induction hypothesis, we should be able to sort both of them. Now once you have sorted both of them, this is sorted, we merge these two sorted lists into another list which will be sorted. So the problem now is that you have two lists which are sorted and you need to merge them into one bigger list which is sorted as well. I hope you have done this problem somewhere and this is a very standard problem that you should have seen in case of lists or arrays, right? So let me just quickly give you an idea. So merging two lists is actually a very interesting algorithm which has application in a lot of places. So the way we can do this is, let's go to the first element of both, 1 and 2. 1 is smaller than 2. See, this is sorted, this is sorted. So the smallest element of this list has to be here. The smallest element of this list has to be here. So to find the smallest overall, you can just compare these two. So let's compare these two. The smaller one comes here and move this variable to the next number. Now from the remaining numbers, the smallest of this list is here, the smallest of this list is here. So you again compare these two, put the smaller one here and move it a little. You then again compare, 3 comes here, you move it here, 4, 5 you compare, 4 comes here, 5 and 6 you compare, 5 comes here, and this list is done. Now as soon as the list is done, you can just copy rest of the other list into the output array. And we are done. And this is sorted, right? So you have two lists, you pass through first list, you pass through second list together. You compare the first element of both of them, copy the smaller one and move in that particular list. That's how you can merge two arrays into one, two sorted arrays into one bigger sorted array. Okay. So again, let me just brief you how we are going to do merge sort. So you have one array, right? You have one array list, whatever. You have one array and you want to sort it. So what can we do? It says sort the first half, sort the second half. When both of them are sorted, you don't have to worry about how they will get sorted. They will get sorted because of induction hypothesis. You merge these two into a bigger one, a bigger list, and that list will be sorted. The way I would recommend you to code this would be this. Take two smaller lists, copy from here to here, copy from here to here. Okay? Call merge sort on this, call merge sort on this, and this will become sorted. Now use these two as your input to the merge two sorted algorithm that we just discussed and merge these two into the original list that you have. Right? Whatever original list that you had, just copy the data back into that particular list. Okay? So you make a copy of the first half of this, you make a copy of the second half of this, and then basically you call merge sort on this part, merge sort on this part. Due to induction hypothesis, I can assume this will become sorted, this will become sorted, and then you merge both of these into the original list that we had. Okay? So basically your code will look something like this. Merge sort, we'll find the mid, right? You need to find the mid, then you make a smaller one list, smaller two list. You call merge sort on smaller one, you call merge sort on smaller two. Now S1 and S2, both of them are sorted. Then you call this merge on S1, S2 and the original L that you had, so that both of these are merged into this original list that you had. Okay? So that way the original list is now sorted. That's what you want, right? You don't have to return anything. I'm giving you a list and you need to sort it because lists are mutable. You can actually change the data within it. So you can sort this list itself. Okay? A beautiful algorithm which is very recursive in nature and works really, really well. Okay? Please code this and it'll give you a lot of confidence. I'm sure you'll really enjoy it. Okay? Thank you.